Hey guys, Dan here, and in today's video, we're here to show you how we're going to replace the thermal paste of a AMD CPU and AMD GPU. So let's get started. In this section of this video, I'm going to remove first the CPU fan. In order to get this thing out, we need to pull the lever to unlock the secured CPU fan. This removal process is a bit hard. I use alcohol in a cotton buds to soften the thermal paste. Others are using dental floss to remove the CPU. For the hard to remove CPU, my trick is to use the knife plastic handle to tap gently side by side to break the dried sticking thermal paste that's set for almost 4 years from the top of the CPU. This process, I am not recommending it, but it works for me in my situation. During this removal, I was a bit shocked, but it sometimes happens when the thermal paste is hardly sticking on top of the CPU. Some pins have been misaligned after the removal process, but no worry, just need to realign them. Just be careful that you don't break any pins of the CPU. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the bell icon for more updates on this channel.